let's take a closer look at the front of this F430. The bumper has some serious corrosion and
the Ferrari
faded paint.
F430 Spider represents a defining moment in Ferrari's mid-engine V8 convertible
lineup.
lineup.
Are uneven, and the paint is completely oxidized.
The rust on this trunk lid is extensive. Look at this misalignment here.
Yeah, and the bumper mounts are completely corroded. We'll need a full replacement.
Combining open-top driving with track-inspired performance. Introduced in 2005, the F430 Spider replaced the Ferrari F430 Spider and brought with it a new level of engineering precision, aerodynamic efficiency, and driver focus.
Covered in this heavy layer of rust and dust. Looking inside the bay now, the corrosion is extensive. You can see the broken wires here where components are completely missing. This is going to be a challenging restoration.
Technology. Designed by Pininfarina, the car features sculpted body lines that are not only visually aggressive, but also highly functional. Every air intake, curve, and vent is shaped to improve airflow, enhance cooling, and increase stability at high speeds. The wide stance, sharp front nose, and distinctive rear diffuser give the F430 Spider a purposeful presence. Emphasizing its performance-focused character, the heart of the Ferrari F430 Spider is a naturally aspirated 4.3-liter V8 engine mounted in a rear mid-engine configuration. This power plant produces approximately 483 horsepower and is known for its high revving nature. With a redline near 8,500 revolutions per minute, the engine delivers a thrilling and responsive driving experience. One of the most defining characteristics of the F430 Spider is its sound. With the convertible top down, the exhaust note becomes even more immersive, allowing the driver and passengers to fully experience the engine's mechanical symphony. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes roughly 4 seconds, while the top speed reaches around 193 miles per hour. Placing the F430 Spider firmly within the high-performance supercar category, Ferrari offered 2 transmission options for the F430 Spider. Drivers could choose a traditional 6-speed manual gearbox or the F1-style automated manual transmission. The F1 system features paddle shifters mounted behind the steering wheel, inspired by Ferrari's Formula One technology. This transmission allows for rapid gear changes and a more engaging driving experience. Integrated into the steering wheel is the Manettino dial, which allows the driver to switch between different driving modes. These modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and suspension settings, giving the driver the ability to tailor the car's behavior to road or track conditions. The chassis of the F430 Spider is built using an aluminum space frame construction.
As you can see, the
This
rust
lightweight,
here on the
yet
rear
rigid
quarter
structure
panel
provides
is
excellent
extensive.
handling characteristics.
We'll need to cut this section out completely.
Despite being a convertible, Ferrari reinforced the body to maintain structural rigidity and driving precision. The suspension system uses an independent double wishbone setup at both the front and rear. This configuration offers precise control and balanced ride quality. Optional magnetic adaptive dampers automatically adjust suspension stiffness based on road conditions and driving style. Steering is hydraulically assisted and delivers direct feedback, allowing the driver to remain connected to the road. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the performance of the F430 Spider. The front nose channels airflow efficiently, while the underbody design generates downforce. At the rear, a large diffuser helps accelerate airflow and improve stability at high speeds. Ferrari also introduced the electronic differential, known as eDiff, which was derived from Formula One technology. This system intelligently distributes power between the rear wheels, enhancing traction and cornering performance. The result is improved stability when exiting corners and better control under acceleration. Inside the cabin, the F430 Spider features a driver-focused interior designed for performance and comfort. High-quality leather upholstery is standard, with optional carbon fiber and aluminum trim available. The instrument cluster is dominated by a large central tachometer, emphasizing the car's high-revving engine. The steering wheel integrates multiple controls, including the engine start button and the Manettino dial. The seats are supportive and positioned low to create a sporty driving posture. The convertible's soft top is electrically operated and can be opened or closed within seconds, allowing the driver to quickly transition between coupe-like comfort and open-air driving. Braking performance is equally impressive. Large ventilated disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while optional carbon ceramic brakes offer reduced weight and improved fade resistance during aggressive driving. Stability control and traction management systems work together to enhance safety without compromising performance. These electronic aids allow drivers to explore the car's limits with added confidence. The driving experience of the Ferrari F430 Spider is both exhilarating and refined. The naturally aspirated engine delivers immediate throttle response, and the high-revving character keeps the driver engaged. With the top down, the sound of the engine and exhaust creates a dramatic and emotional atmosphere. Handling is sharp and predictable, making the car equally capable on winding roads and open highways. The balance between comfort and performance allows the F430 Spider to function as both a weekend cruiser and a track-ready machine. Production of the F430 Spider remained relatively limited, which has contributed to its desirability among collectors and enthusiasts. The model represents a transitional period in Ferrari's engineering evolution, combining traditional naturally aspirated performance with advanced electronic systems. Today, the F430 Spider is often regarded as one of the last analog-feeling Ferrari convertibles before the widespread introduction of turbocharging and more complex driver aids. More than just a high-performance vehicle, the Ferrari F430 Spider delivers an emotional driving experience. The combination of power, sound, and open-air freedom creates a connection between driver and machine that few cars can match. Even today, the F430 Spider continues to capture attention with its iconic design and unmistakable engine note. It stands as a reminder of Ferrari's commitment to building cars that are not only fast, but also deeply engaging to drive. The Ferrari F430 Spider remains a timeless example of Italian engineering, blending performance, elegance, and driving excitement into a single unforgettable package.